Hey everyone, and welcome back. Even though I love to do eye makeup, some of you guys wanted to see more of a flawless skin or complexion using Mary Kay products, and I have a lot of tips to share with you today. So let's get started. I am starting with the primer. Now, this is something that I can never skip if I want the best results in my skin. I have a lot of texture, I have dryness around my nose, and making sure that I massage this, it really fills in the pores and all the texture that I have on my skin, and that way when I apply the foundation it really kind of glides on perfectly. Now I love the sponge. I think it gives you the most natural but still flawless results. But since I want a little bit more coverage that still looks natural, what I'm going to do is start with a dense brush applying my foundation. Then I'm going to go in with the sponge and I'm going to kind of set everything without applying any product. Now this sponge is wet, so it's also kind of blending the foundation into my skin and creating more of a natural look. If you don't like that look, then you can skip the sponge step, but I think that it really gives that soft and very I don't even know how to describe it. It really creates a different finish on your skin if you use it after a dense brush. Then I'm going to use the concealer. This is the Perfecting Concealer. I have a review on it if you want to check it out. I also have a review on the primer, so if you want to check those videos out, they will be on the top of the screen and also in the description box down below. After I apply the concealer, I'll go in with the brush again so I can get the most coverage because I do have very dark circles. Then I'm gonna go with the sponge and making sure that this kind of pushes everything into my skin to create that flawless finish, but at the same time that it looks natural. So it's very important to follow those steps for me. Then I'm going to take the translucent powder. This is basically a finishing powder. I did the difference between this finishing powder and the regular powder by Mary Kay. If you want to check it out, of course it will be linked down below, but the idea is just to take a little bit and start kind of building this powder on my skin. That way it won't move throughout the day and it will create that very soft effect on my skin. Now, since I'm not going to do any makeup or eye makeup, I'm just going to use the clear brow gel by Mary Kay and make sure that I comb through my eyebrows. That way I can remove the makeup and at the same time it will look more polished. Now to finish this natural look with no eye makeup, I'm applying a little bit of this Nourish lip gloss that doesn't have color. I can't remember the name right now, but I have all the products in the description box down below if you're interested in checking them out. And that is pretty much it. A flawless complexion without eye makeup. This is the routine, this is what I do, and these are the tips that you should know if you want to create a similar effect in your routine. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out the description box down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!